Let's start our today's session of Standard 9 Maths 1. I am sharing a PPT. So welcome to all of you in my class. I am Mr. Khire SV. Today we are going to learn about Standard 9 subject Maths 1, chapter number 1 sets. In that we are going to study about practice set 1.3. Let's see practice set 1.3. Question number 1 is, if set A contains elements A, B, C, D, E, set B contains elements C, D, E, F, set C contains elements B and D, set D contains elements A and E, then which of the following statements are true and which are false? Some statements are given below. We have to state which are true and which are false out of these all. First is C is subset of B, A is subset of D, D is subset of B, D is subset of A, B is subset of A and C is subset of A. These statements are given. Out of these 6 statements, which are true and which are false? Solution for this is, subset means the elements in the given set are in the set next set. Means suppose C is subset of B, it is given. Now observe the elements in set C. In set C there are B and D. These two elements are there. Check whether these two elements are in set B or not. Whether these two elements are in set B, then we can say that C is subset of B. If these two elements are not in B, then we can say that this is false. Okay, B and D. Only D is there, B is not there. Therefore, C is not subset of B. Means C is subset of B is false statement. Similarly, A is subset of D. A is subset of D. The elements in the set A are not in set D. Therefore, this is also false statement. Third, D is subset of B. A and E are there. Only E is there. A is not in B. Therefore, third example is also false statement. Fourth is D is subset of A. A and E elements are there in set D. And these are in A and E are in set A also. Therefore, D is subset of A. This is true statement. Elements in the set D are in set A. True. Fifth is B is subset of A. B is subset of A. C, D, E, F. C, D, E is there, not F is not there. Therefore, this is also false statement. 5 number. 6. C is subset of A. B and D is there. B and D is in A. Elements B and D are in set A, which are in set C. Therefore, C is subset of A. This is true statement. Therefore, solution of these all is first, second, third and fifth are false statements and fourth and sixth are true statements. Question number 2. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set and show set X and set Y using Venn diagram. Set X is given. X is a set of X such that X belongs to N and 7 is less than X is less than 15. Y is set of Y such that Y belongs to N. Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. First of all, we can see which are the elements in set X and set Y. In set X, X belongs to N, means X is a natural number and 7 is less than X is less than 15. This condition is given. Means the numbers are in set are greater than 7 and less than 15. It is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. These are the elements in the set X. Now elements are in set Y. Y is also natural number and Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. This is second condition. Prime number from 1 to 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Now we can draw Venn diagram. By using Venn diagram we can show these sets. U means universal set. Rectangle is a universal set. In universal sets all elements are there in the universal sets. Now X is the first set. In set X there are some elements 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 means circle. Sky blue color circle is set X. Now set Y is there. Set Y contains 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are the elements in sets Y which are in purple circle. Now 11 and 13. These are two elements which are common in X and Y, both the sets. These are only two elements which are common elements. Now remaining elements from 1 to 20 are out of these two elements which are not in X and Y. They are in this rectangle, means in universal set 1, 4, 6, 15, 16, 18 and 20. This is called Venn diagram. Show the given sets by using Venn diagram. Got it? Okay. Next question is third universal set. U is 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These elements are given in universal set. Now set P is 1, 3, 7, 10. Then show the sets U, P and P complement by using Venn diagram. This is the question. And verify complement of P complement is equal to P. Now by using Venn diagram we can show this. Universal set contains all the elements 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set P contains 1, 3, 7, 10. P is a sky blue color set. Circle P 1, 3, 7 and 10 is there. Now P complement means remaining elements of set U which are not in set P. Got it? P complement, P dash is called P complement. The elements in the set U which are not in set P means 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12. There is no any common element in between P and P complement. The universal set, P union P complement is equal to universal set. Got it? Therefore complement of P complement is equal to P. Got it? Question number 4. A is 1, 3, 2, 7. Then write any three subsets of set A. Set A is given, we have to write down three subsets of set A. We can write down more than three subsets also. A is set of X such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. The subsets of set A 1, 3, 2, 7 are 1, 3, 2, 7, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 7, 3, 2, 3, 7, 2, 7, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 7, 3, 2, 7, 1, 3, 2, 7 like this. You can write any of these, any three like these sets. Out of these all you can write any three sets. Got it? Okay. Next is write the subset relation between the sets. Subset relation. P is the set of all residents in Pune. M is the set of all residents in Madhya Pradesh. I is the set of all residents in Indore. B is the set of all residents in India. H is the set of all residents in Maharashtra. Now, solution for this is write the subset relation between all these. P is Pune, M is Madhya Pradesh, I is Indore, B is India, H is Maharashtra. First of all, you have to observe all these sets and then which is biggest, which is smallest, which set lies in another set. Okay? Pune is in India, Pune is in Maharashtra, Indore is in Maharashtra, Indore is in India, Indore is in Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh is in India, like this. These are the subset relations. Therefore, we can write it as P is subset of H, Pune is subset of Maharashtra, Pune is subset of India, P is subset of B, Indore is subset of Madhya Pradesh, Indore is in Madhya Pradesh, Indore is subset of B, means Indore is in India, H, Maharashtra is in India, H is subset of B, M is subset of B, M means Madhya Pradesh is subset of India. Okay? These are the subset relation between all the above sets. Got it? Okay. Now, which set can be the universal set for above set? Universal set means biggest set of given all sets is called universal set. Now tell me which is the biggest set out of these all sets P, M, I, P or H. There is India is the biggest one. Therefore India means B. B is the universal set of all these sets. Okay, set B. Question number 6. Which set of numbers could be the universal set for the sets given below? A. Set of multiple of 5. B. Set of multiple of 7. C. Set of multiples of 12. Now, which is the universal set for all these sets? The universal set is natural numbers, whole numbers and integers also. Natural number, whole number and integers means n, w and I. All these sets contains all these elements in set A, B and C. Means A, B and C are the subsets of n, w and I. Therefore, these are the universal sets for all above sets A, B, C. Now, P is set of integers which are multiples of 4. T is set of all even square numbers. Again, identify which is the universal set. Again, natural number, whole number and integers. These are the universal sets of P and T because they contains all the elements in set P and set T. Next, last question is let all the students of a class in an universal set. Let set A be the students who secure 50% or more marks in maths. Then write the complement of set A. Now, U is the universal set. Means all the students in the class are called universal set. Therefore, now it is given that A, suppose set A is students who secure 50% or more marks in maths. 50% or more marks in maths is the set A. Now we have to find out A complement. A complement means the elements in the set U which are not in set A. Means set of all the students getting marks less than 50% in maths. Got it? So, I am Mr. Khire Sandeep Vittal Rao. I am an assistant teacher at Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Jalna. So, please subscribe my YouTube channel Shikshan Mitra, like and share my videos. Thank you. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you for joining my class.